What's going on, everybody? Spider here, and today we're going to be doing another video. And today, I'm going to be doing a little shout out type of thing to a person who, or a company type thing. Yeah, sure. I'm going to be doing a shout out to them. It's called 99 Lives. Go subscribe to them. They kind of support my music. Not my music. I download music from them. But anyway, go listen to their music. It's pretty cool. My favorite YouTuber, Sunday, owns the channel. So yeah, go subscribe to them. It's pretty cool. And they just released their second album called Rage Quit. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, so I'm gonna be playing a couple music from them because they're pretty cool. So